Hey everyone! Are you tired of uneven paint jobs, messy spills, and wasting hours on painting projects? Today we're counting down the top 5 best electric paint sprayers that will make your home improvement projects faster, easier, and more professional. Whether you're painting walls, fences, furniture, or cabinets, these sprayers offer precision, power, and efficiency to get the job done right. Stick around because we'll highlight each sprayer's key features and reveal which one takes the #1 spot for speed, versatility, and reliability. Number 1. Tilswall Cordless Electric Spray Paint Gun. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the advanced 90,000 RPM brushless electric paint sprayer. This cordless sprayer delivers smooth, precise finishes with minimal vibration and noise, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor projects. Its innovative side feed system allows for quick, mess-free refills without unscrewing the container, saving time and reducing spills. You get 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular for complete control. Variable flow control up to 900 milliliters per minute covers small details or broad surfaces with ease. Built-in safety features like low voltage and overload protection ensure peace of mind while using the sprayer. Ideal for both beginners and pros, this sprayer combines precision, speed, and versatility in one powerful tool. Number 2. ZippyZebra Electric Spray Paint Gun. At number 2, we have a 350-watt sprayer featuring a 5.4-inch wide feed system, designed to handle larger projects with less prep. Whole fruits and vegetables, or in this case, large paint containers, fit easily, reducing setup time. The slow 50 RPM masticating motor minimizes clogging and ensures smooth, consistent output for better finishes. Double-layer filtration reduces overspray and ensures even application. The detachable filter simplifies cleaning, and the machine only runs when the lid is properly aligned, keeping safety a top priority. This sprayer is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or families who want efficiency, reliability, and easy maintenance in one compact package. Number 3. Tiagowell Electric Spray Paint Gun. Coming in at number 3 is a sprayer with a 5.8-inch extra-large feed system, designed for convenience and safety. A smart safety lock automatically stops the machine when the lid opens, protecting you during use. The 55 RPM motor reduces heat buildup, preventing oxidation and ensuring a smooth, high-quality finish. Dual strainers filter output twice for minimal residue and enhanced coverage. Assembly is quick with only 3 main parts, and one-button control keeps operations simple. The included push rod and cleaning brush make maintenance easy. The durable shell and side vents prevent overheating, ensuring this sprayer lasts for years. Number 4. LUDERIGNITE Electric Spray Paint Gun. Number 4 is an upgraded 650-watt sprayer with a large 1,200 milliliter detachable container, capable of covering up to 45 square meters in just 15 minutes. It features 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, for precise coverage on walls, fences, or furniture. Flow control allows for fine or high volume spraying, and 5 precision nozzles let you switch between thin stains, thick latex, or sealers. Its stainless steel body is durable, easy to clean, and includes side vents to prevent overheating. This model is perfect for homeowners seeking speed, versatility, and professional-level results in both indoor and outdoor projects. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking to save time without compromising finish quality. Number 5. PICKITOLES Electric Spray Paint Gun. Finally, at number 5, we have a high-efficiency 1,000-watt spray gun with a jumbo 1,400 milliliter container. It delivers streak-free coating and outperforms rollers and brushes for faster, professional results. 6 adjustable nozzle sizes and spray patterns provide detailed trim work or broad coverage as needed. The patented quick-release system allows cleaning in under 5 minutes. Accessories like gloves, goggles, a viscosity cup, and brushes ensure you're fully equipped for any painting project. Ideal for larger jobs or professionals, this sprayer is efficient, easy to use, and built to last, making it a dependable addition to your toolkit. Recommendation. And there you have it, the top 5 electric paint sprayers, from the cordless 90,000 RPM brushless sprayer to the high-efficiency 1,000-watt spray gun. Each model offers unique advantages for both DIYers and professionals. If I had to pick the standout, number 1 is the clear winner for cordless freedom, precise control, and versatility. It's perfect for indoor, outdoor, small, or large projects. Remember, choosing the right sprayer depends on your project type, painting frequency, and workspace size. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert reviews and DIY tips. Comment below and let us know which sprayer you try first or share your own painting experiences. Thanks for watching and happy painting!